this is the tail hook for the E-2C aircraft. It's used to catch the aircraft when it lands on the flight deck. It stops it from about 150 to 0 in about 4 to 5 seconds.
There must be incredible stresses on that.
You're right. Incredible monster.
Well, thanks for your explanation.
No problem, Dave.
Appreciate it.
Hey, Dave, look out.
This is Pilot Dave to Kitty Hawk Tower. I'm ready for clearance.
Want to decline. Track 6650.
Roger on that. I'm ready to put this plane through its paces. Pilot Dave to Kitty Hawk Tower. Pilot Dave to Kitty Hawk Tower. I think I have an emergency situation here. Pilot Dave to Kitty Hawk Tower. This is Pilot Dave to Kitty Hawk Tower. Pilot Dave to Kitty Hawk Tower. Pilot Dave to Kitty Hawk Tower. Pilot Dave to the tower.
Dave, wake up, Dave.
Pilot Dave to the tower.
Dave, you okay? Wake up,
Pilot
Dave.
Dave, call me the tower.
Dave, you okay?
Daryl. Geez, what happened? I just had this incredible dream that I was a real, never mind. Thanks for all your help.
Sure you okay?
Oh, yeah, I'm fine. Thanks.
Hey kids, I'm Captain Bill Pickavance. If you like what you've seen and there goes an airplane and you want to be a naval aviator, stay off drugs, study hard, keep your motivation up, and you can do it.
We've seen big airplanes, little airplanes, old airplanes, and new airplanes. But if you still want to learn more, the best place to do it is at an airplane museum, like this one in San Diego. There are some amazing things in airplane museums. Did you know that people used to think that the only way to fly was like a bird? Here you can see what the very first planes looked like. Today, it's hard to imagine that these fragile little planes could fly, but they did. You can see how they changed year by year, and see some that changed history. Some museums show you planes that flew past the sky and into space. You may see more than history. You may see part of the future. Well, I hope you've enjoyed watching and learning all about airplanes. I've had a great time pretending to be a real airplane pilot. So, until next time, this is Pilot Dave saying see you in the wild blue yonder.